Hi, it's Amy with WTI. Come on, let's play. This is the QB54 Ultimate Football Yard Game. I was looking for a unique, fun activity for my son's graduation party, and this has turned out to be just what I was hoping for. It's so different from anything out there. A little backstory to this game is that it was invented by two brothers, Michael and Frank. They initially would play this with two garbage cans. When they were older, Frank came up with the idea of using chairs instead of the cans, which is genius because it turns the game into dual purpose. So it's not only fun, but has a practical use as well. Now here's what you get. Two portable nylon camping chairs, which can support up to 275 pounds apiece. Two field goal posts, one inflatable rubber football, one foam kicking tee. Don't accidentally throw the foam out like I did. One pump with needle and one carrying bag. You unvelcro the seat cover to reveal the netting, and you add the yellow goalposts. It says to space the chairs out up to 40 feet facing each other, but you can face them at whatever distance is comfortable for you. I think it's a great feature that you can increase the level of difficulty as needed. How do you play? Well, it's similar to cornhole in that you're trying to get the ball in the hole, or net in this case. First team to reach 54 points wins. This game has been easy to transport to different locations. One of my favorites was playing this on the beach. We really like the chairs, and they are well made, and they really feel sturdy when you're sitting in them. This is such a great game to enjoy with your kids and friends of any age, and you can do it at the beach, a party, picnic, even in your own backyard. And you get two camping chairs you can use anytime. It's a win-win, and that's my point of view.